All right, good morning. So today is Friday, 10/3, and we went over the quantities of heat notes. So what I had students do is fill out these notes here. All right, so I did a little bit something different. So for the do now, students were to fill out this information. So I'm going to line this up. Pause the video now so you can write these notes down. All right, so I'm going to pull these notes up. And then fill out these notes right here. So stop the video and fill these notes out. And then the last piece of notes you're going to fill out on this page is this. So pause the video here and fill this out. So this has to do with heat transfer. Dasad, I'm recording. So this is all about heat. So if you look at Q, it's heat lost or gained. And you're going to use this formula to calculate heat. If heat has a negative, and if I look right here, if heat is negative, if Q is negative, that means heat is lost. It's an exothermic exit reaction. Heat is exiting. If Q, when you plug in the numbers, ends up being positive, that means that heat was absorbed or gained. And that's what we call endothermic reaction. So what I had students do was flip to the next page. And in YouTube, I showed a video, and this is what you search up in YouTube. It's called calorimetry. Hold on a sec. I gotta misspell it. Hold on. I'm misspelling it. Calor. Calor. Rimetry. There we go. The M is supposed to be lowercase. And I typed in Maribel on YouTube. So if you type this in on YouTube, there'll be a video of examples that she goes over. So I played the YouTube video. I had the students write down this problem. All right. You're going to use this equation from the previous page to figure out what Q is, how much energy is released or not. So see the change in temperature? That's where you plug it right here. See it right here? You take the final temperature, which is here, and you minus the starting temperature. So see this number right here? This is what you plug in for T. C is a constant. So since we're dealing with, we're dealing with grams of ice. So that's a solid. All right. The specific heat in the problem, it gives us it right here. This is the specific heat for C. And then the mass is in grams. So here goes our grams, our M. Here goes our C. And here goes, if we subtract these two numbers, this is where our change in temperature goes that we calculated here. And if you solve, this is the answer you get for heat in joules. And it's negative because heat is being released. So that's what we did today. And that's it. Bye.